Hi guys, I'm gonna make a review on the projector which I've taken newly, and it is be. Let me also see what is the name. It's known as eGate. Okay, it's very cheap comparatively what we get on the market, and which I have taken it from eBay, which was somewhere around 20,000. And I see another video on YouTube. Someone have actually unboxed it, and there is a video available. So I thought, okay, let me not do the same and let me give you something else apart from unboxing it. I'm actually looking for kind of a result what we get by this projector. So I have actually connected this with my laptop by using VGA, and this is the screen what I get it, and it's been taken in the daylight, and comparatively it's okay, but it's not that good. And and for the worth of 20,000 projector, you cannot expect something better than this. And I initially had a problem, and I took this to the service center which was there in my place, and the technician told me that this is the maximum result which you get it, and this is how it works and stuff like that. But I was not fully convinced, but it was okay with 20,000 cheap projector. Okay, let me switch off the light. Okay, this is the screen what you get it. It seems to be pretty decent, yeah. And they guarantee for 20,000 hours. That may be somewhere around 10,000. I do not believe it, but it was actually a attractive point for selling, and I thought of buying this because it also works as an entertainment projector for me. It also has number of connector. I'll just show you. Let me switch on the light. Let me just show you some of the connector. Okay, this is the connection panel. I'm not sure whether you could see it. Okay, here we go. So this is the connector which you get it for TV tuner, you get it for VGA, you get it for AV. So it is having available connection which you could imagine to connect the TV or TV tuner or something which I would not able to give you more information on that. Let me get into the result. So this is the result which you get it. Let me go back and switch off the the light. So this is what you get it. Okay, I'm actually projecting it on the wall. You may see this is the wall, and I'm projecting it on the wall, and I can see that it's not that accurate, but it's a pretty decent one. Okay, let me go back and try to run a file. Okay, this is my computer, so I'm going to run a file. Maybe I could play a music. No, not a music. Okay, let me play you the movie. Okay, so I have some of the movie kept, and let me tell you that if you want to play or if you want to have a very good result, it all depends on the file which you're gonna play, and make sure that you play a very good file. And I play in a Blu-ray, so that is how I get a good result. Okay, so when you go back and say that there is something problem with the image or the sharpness or whatever, they will ask you to play a very good file, and they might even suggest you to take only the Blu-ray files. So if you could see, this is the one which I'm playing it. So let me put it on full screen. Where is that? Okay, so I'll just taking it away from it. Okay, this is my computer. Okay, and this is what has been projected. Okay, I would like to play a different file. Okay, so let me go back and play your different file. Let me check it out, which is the good file which I have it with me. Okay, I'll go to this and I'll go to desktop, and under desktop I have some file. Okay, this is the one, and under which I have Avatar, amazing movie. So I'll run it on AVG, I'm sorry. So I'll run it on AVG. It's a VLC player. Okay, so here we go. I'll put it on full screen. So this is the movie which you see on computer. Okay, so let's take it to the and this quality does not give you that accurate kind of a quality. There is no sharpness which you're supposed to get it on projector, which nowadays most of the projector give you a very good sharpness and the brightness. So that doesn't actually have in this. It is of 2400 luminous. Okay, you do not get a very good one, but pretty decent one. I'm okay with it, but if someone decide to buy this projector, I would still suggest them to have a demo first, and then if you are really convinced, really convinced, then you could go ahead and buy it. Okay, so this is this we do not actually get accurate on the camera which I'm using it. Let me just move on. Okay, you see this grains which you see on this, I do not actually get it on the screen. I think it's something to do with the camera which I'm taking it, but I see a pretty decent picture on the wall and it goes on, and I'm okay with it. I'm not fully convinced, but I'm okay with what I got it for 20,000. But it might depend. I might know very less about projector, so I might say this is okay with me, and there might be a people who could know each and everything about projector. They might expect something different results. So I would really suggest you to have a demo before you could buy, and then you can go. I always have a complaint with the sharpness towards the corner of the screens. Most of the local projector which will give you a very good result in the middle of the screen, but as in when it kind of projects it towards the corner, there is where the result could be fading it. Okay, so it depends on you if you could really want to take. I'm gonna upload this, and I would also suggest you guys leave your feedback, and if you want anything that which you want to test, and if you actually want to buy it and you want a kind of a test which has to be done, and you want to know what happens exactly with this, or to tell you accurately, if you want any kind of a test which you have to do it and find out the result, please send me your feedbacks. I will do it for you, and I will also personally send out the results for you. Okay, this is the review. I'll catch you up maybe if I have to come back again on YouTube providing more information on that. Take care. Bye bye.